apple cinnamon French toast. And OJ for breakfast. So besides the propane, I'm just trying to give you guys all helpful hints. So Daniel just burnt off sizzled his hair, and which is real bad, his eyebrows. And that's, oh God, your poor eyelashes for real. Oh my God. Be careful, kids. Adults, kids. Oh my God.
Can you do me a favor, please?
What?
Can you take one of those wipes
and
clean
God.
the inside of your thumbnail?
Your eyelashes are torched, dude. Of the quick necessities, just a few things. Just a few. Deodorant, guys. Makeup remover, cleansing water. Of course, your toothbrush, SPF, skin lotion, toothpaste, floss, and I forgot lotion. Not that, but when it was like rainy, it's like so strange because when it's hot, you gotta go back and forth. You really do, you gotta go back and forth, but I didn't have any lotion, so I used these cleansing wipes. And they're just good to have anyway. Those, but that's a basic little necessities. Gorgeous sunshine. God, it has turned out to be so nice out. And we're just having a little lunch. That looks refreshing. We just got the ice. Oh my gosh, what a treat when you're camping, when you have like rocks of ice. It's just so refreshing. So refreshing. Like, doesn't look, this is my water. Doesn't look more refreshing than that. You tell me. Look that. Ice, baby. And what a treat. Yummy. I think it's like steak and bell pepper. Ooh. Ooh la la. We just shined up the camper. Henry's relaxing, and we're relaxing. It's like we have the whole place to ourselves. It's so quiet and beautiful out here, and so it really is. There's really nobody around. It's great, and such a nice, peaceful time. Oh boy, it is day 6, you guys. We have the campfire going on right there. It is day 6, but it is, last night was torrential rain. Rain. The fire's still not out, but I'm closing. As you can see, like, yeah, it really doesn't bother me because I can get work done, but I have to get in here. We got to keep warm, but it's just, there's a lot of rain out there. A couple people pulled up. They're probably getting here for the weekend. They're setting up even like in the rain, but yeah, last night it was pouring. I woke up in the middle of the night and it was just downpouring, but we'll be leaving tomorrow. So I guess we're just gonna hunker down and stay nice and warm and cozy tonight. Even though it's pouring rain, Daniel is still making us dinner on the griddle. Right, Daniel?
Yes.
He's got his whole rain suit on. You're so sweet. What do you need, babe?
I need to take this in. It's cooked. Grab that handle.
He's got the noodles and then everything else he's cooking. Good job. And when we say rain or shine, we mean it. Oh gosh. Alright, got these cheeseburgers. Steak on the griddle. And then Lipton Noodle, delish for camping. And I just found, you'd be like, oh, it's plain hamburger new. I just found some. I've put it away before. And I found some, like, Chick-fil-A mayonnaises. I found some Heinz. Yeah. I'm prepared. I don't know what this is. What's this? It's either mustard or... Yeah, there we go. Yeah, wait, go. Sorry about my finger. Thank you. Just great. Yeah. Sporting. Yummy. Yeah. Yummy. 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 Delish. What's up? What's going on with the hamburger that you made? Which one's this one?
This is yours.
What is it? What? It's mine?
Yeah.
Why is it mine?
It's heart-shaped because it's made with all my love.
It's made with... Aw, isn't that sweet? You made the hamburger. Where's the heart, babe?
It's underneath the cheese now.
Oh, okay. Heart-shaped hamburger. Awesome. Yeah, man.
I tried to get it this day.
This is jamming. This food is like rocking right now, especially since it's like so cold outside. Delightful. Yummy. Last night here, guys, and then we'll be heading back home. We've had our couple days stay. For when it's time to go nighty night. Go. Get the candlelight going. I don't know if you can see it. I might actually turn it off. It looks real cute. But let's see. So it looks nice, but it's pretty dark. Ooh la la. Alright, we're breaking it down and it's time to go. Excuse my hair. I haven't washed it in like a week, but that dry shampoo does work wonders. But we close this one. Now what's next? The other side?
Yes.
This should be easy. Okay. Okay.
Now the top latch.
Now what?
The top latch.
Over here?
And open the front.
Right here?
Yep.
Okay.
Alright, pull that handle down. Yeah. Push it up a little bit to get that front wallet. Yeah. Now pull the front down. There you go.
Condensation. Okay. Now what? Now what one? Okay.
Alright, now take that latch out.
Okay.
Now let it drop over your body. Push the door back open a little bit. No, just the bottom door. I mean the top. Top door. Leave the bottom door closed.
That's the whole thing, guys. Keep that one open. It's a little bit trickier than it looks.
You gotta close that top door a little bit till you get it past the front top of the roof.
Yeah.
Now bring the wall down.
Nice and gently. Nice and gently. Okay. And then we come out here. Okay. Easy peasy. Right? And now put it down.
Yeah, just go easy. Alright, hold on a second.
I'll take the camera from here.
That's the only thing about the top is it traps water in here.
We put the tarp up there just in case, just for it to be a second layer. There was a lot of condensation in there, so I think we have an air, you know, to take out all the wetness. We need one of those, but we probably need like a small generator or something. I never really thought you'd need all that stuff, but you kind of do. And then inside, over here, on the back of the wall from the condensation, it got a little wet. So then you got to be careful for the mattress. So I pulled the mattress out a bit, and then when I get back home, I'm gonna put the careful for your fingers. I'm gonna take that out and then put it in the camper so it sucks all the wetness out of there, and I'm gonna make sure everything's dry. Open up the windows because we want to take care of it and preserve it. So. Then you're just gonna pull that down, which I missed. What is the unit we're putting in there? I can't even think of the word. I have like brain fog.
Dehumidifier?
Dehumidifier. Hello. Good Lord. But yeah, that's about it. And we are almost ready to go. I am ready to take a hot shower. But it has been very, very beautiful. A couple people pulled up because it's coming on to the weekend, but we got to get back. We've been here long enough. They've got their generators running. Usually we're a lot more secluded than this, but this was really nice that we had it for the whole week. There was no one around, and then there was just like tons of land. So much land. It was a lot of fun. A lot of fun. Until next time. Until next time, campground. Thank you for letting us stay with you. We love you. We love you, trees. All right, bye-bye. Bye, campground. We have to take out our cassette one last time before we leave. Heading to the cigar shop to get a cigar. It just opened. To the lobster shack, but the lobster shack's closed. Oh, that's so cute. Just got an amazing coffee in the car at Dave's Coffee, and I'll tell you what, this is probably the best coffee I've ever tasted. It's called Wild Flower, and it smells like they must put like real lavender or something like that, because you can smell the oil lavender. It is incredible. This coffee is so good. I just came in and I found a little package on my doorstep, and I opened it under it here, and it's just a, as you see, little package and a little bag, just for you to hold some of your stuff in, a little packet. You basically throw everything in. And ready to go. Just close it up like that. Cutesy dooty. But yeah, it's great for you just to slip some on in. It's a cute little pattern. Nice to get in. Yeah. Cute, cute. I also just got this in. This was for, we stayed warm because I had the propane stove running. Yeah, I just basically had it running the whole time, but just in case you're to get cold, these are the best. These are the best. Indoor safe propane heater. It's the Mr. Buddy. portable buddy, indoor, outdoor. So this should be pretty cool. It's just, the stuff is good to have. Heaters are always good to have. And I know the next time we probably go out for camping, we're going to need air conditioning. So most likely we're probably just going to have to get a generator. But we have fans, lights, heating, the heating source for propane. This one will be extra. I just always like to play it a little safe. I did forget my fan this time, which was I left under here. But it's a cute little fan. Goes like that, and then it also has like a light on top, so that's pretty cool. But this is it. The motor. We have the solar panel and that for electric. This would be nice for our heat. Can you see that, guys? Oh, it'd be too close up. There we go. So, it's supposed to be easy. I think you put in your little propane tanks there and just crank it up, off, pilot, low on. So that should be easy enough to use. So that's good. Able to keep you nice and warm. Nice and warm on the cold nights, the Mr. Buddy.